Flashback.
Physically cannot drown. Do with this right now. Just run around. That's Are you feeling better now that you have this? I am. Okay, cool. The biggest thing is like you were probably panicking because you have your head up like this. You try to get air, but you have this in your mouth, which gives your snorkel underwater into the water. So you probably felt the sensation of drowning. As long as you just go like this and you're relaxed, your face will stay. As long as I'm inflated and I'm relaxed, and my mouth naturally stays above water. Okay. But since you have this inflated, all your air is up front.
6 months later.
That was the last day here in Chiang Mai. Packing up, getting ready to go. I still got a little more packing to do. It's that 3-hour session. I'll be fine. A lot of guys already left, but I'm meeting half of them over in Krabi, so that's gonna be awesome. So I've discovered that the greatest commodity in Thailand is toilet paper, and I'm out. But I know that Steven has already checked out. So let's see if we can get some toilet paper. Thanks, Steven. So finally checking out the resort. I think everyone else has already turned their keys in, but me, 2:16, and I am here.
Okay.
The next morning.
Good morning. So now here in Krabi, Thailand, staying at the Nature Homes, I believe it's called. This is pretty nice. This is a quick little room tour. Bed, desk, bathroom. There's 4 of us from the last group staying out here. Talked to Frank a little bit this morning, and we had no power in this room the whole night. Steven's already out here.
I was so nervous that I've almost lost the day face so many times.
I don't think I recorded anything from last night. It was recent anyway, so it's all pitch black out here. The view we have from this pier is crazy. It's already noon, so I guess I should start getting my exposure. I should probably start getting ready soon. I think we're gonna rent some scooters and go around. I've been known to wreck a lot of cars and bikes and anything that moves. Yeah, the name Wreck-It Ralph isn't just a cartoon right here. Well done.
I have no clue. I think we're gonna go pick up Frank. Yeah, he's either back at our place or at the banana bungalow. The views are f***ing amazing, man.
Oh, man.
Yes.
This is awesome.
The views are f***ing beautiful. The views of my gas tank. It's not beautiful. So, trying to find a gas station. Hopefully no one runs out of gas.
A few moments later.
Steve, yo. Come on, dude. What? I see the car coming, I see the car coming, I see the car coming, and I don't see you like looking at the mirror, and I was like, oh, here it is, man. Dude, like live on your mirrors.
Yeah, you gotta use those mirrors.
You gotta use them. I live on my mirror.
It's traffic.
Okay, let's go. Exactly where, but there.
We're gonna be out.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
We're trying to get scooters.
Look at that fuel gauge, baby.
I can't even see much. It looks like it's full.
We're at this beach now. I'm gonna catch a sunset, it seems like. You can kind of see it. Not sure. It was interesting trying to ride a scooter all the way out here. Someone was comfortable riding a scooter over here.
I've never ridden a scooter before. I've ridden like a motorcycle for like 5 minutes in a parking lot. That's it.
I hate him. I hate him. In case you didn't know already.
It's really easy. The only thing that's hard is fast, sharp turns. I can't do that.
I can't go straight. This guy's riding first time too.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Steve, was that your first time on a...
On scooter, yeah.
Okay.
I've been on a motorcycle for 5 minutes in a parking lot.
Okay. Oh, so you're a pro.
But yeah, we made out here after a while. It was fun. It was a little bit scary for me, but Bryce said I didn't wreck anything this time. No wreck-it Ralph today, although it's still a little bit early. So I guess we're headed back to the resort now. I think we're headed back to Jean's Villa, which means I get to ride on the death machine again. Guess it's still time to still be Wreck-It Ralph on this trip, so.
As long as you really don't wreck it.
What's up? Hey, yeah. I swam both ways.
Meanwhile.
Yeah, I can do the back foot and I can swim my back, but forward I can't do anything.
Forward? What do you mean? Just stop.
I can't, man.
Just try it. Try it. You say you can't. Try it from like. Just try it. Right there. Give me the clamp. Try it leg.
Go away.
Got you.
I'm pretty sure Sam tried to kill me. But yeah, but for now, let's unload some memory cards and get some rest.